sometimes when you run an ad, that's what happens. There's some people that are caught in the bracket, right, that the ad will be reaching, but are not really interested. Okay, so they don't respond to that advert, but you are paying for it. Okay, now what Instagram would do is Instagram has to show the ad to those people, to everybody over that period, like first day, second day, third day, right? Instagram is learning. They try to, Instagram or Facebook, as the case may be, tries to learn how people respond to those adverts so that they can determine the best group, right? Those that will not be interested, maybe like me, right? They will remove me and see those that are responding and those that are interested and try to show it more to those kind of people. Do you understand? Right? So that's what it does in the first 3 days. The ad is trying to find its feet. It's trying to find the best people that will connect with this. It's trying to find out, okay, these people are not responding to this. Okay, let me look for another set. That's what the ad is doing in the first 3 days. All right, you can call it the you can call it the germination time or the propagation time. It's trying to find its feet. So at that time, ads can be very expensive. Ads are not really a true representation of what will happen eventually. All right, so that is a very dangerous time to run an ad and stop it. So one of you start the ad, right, on a Monday and you stop it on a Wednesday. Come on, the ad has not even had time to germinate. Okay, it's a problem, so don't do that, right? The first 3 days of your ads are its germination or propagation time. The ad is like a seed trying to grow out. You know, the plant is trying to grow out of the soil, right? Give it time to grow. When it comes out of the soil, you cannot do whatever magic you want to do with it. Okay, so first day, second day, third day. Okay, start analyzing your ads from the fourth day. Leave the first day, leave the second day, leave the third day. Start analyzing your ad from the fourth day. At least you would have been able to work and adjust itself within the first 3 days. Okay, so that's why I always say start your ads as low as $1 for the first day. All right, second day $1, third day $1. At the end of the fourth day, you would have been able to adjust. All right, adjust this audience, pick out the best thing. So on the fourth day, the ad should be better. Right now, when the ad is okay from the fourth day, what you will now do is you can increase your budget from $1 to $2 or to $3 or to $5, as the case may be. All right, but don't do that within the first 3 days. Do you understand? He's still trying to find his footing. Okay, now I know that many of you that run ads for different companies, your companies might say, hey, come on, we just want to run this ad for 3 days. It's fine, right? I get it, but try to educate them. All right, they are not gaining anything, they're actually losing. Right, when you do that, but you do not know because you have nothing to compare, you have nothing to benchmark with, so you won't know, but you are losing. Do you understand? Now I've been running ads for years, many years, right? Maybe 8 years or 9 years. Okay, this is what I found out. Give the ad some time to perform, to adjust, to make all these tests, and finally come out with the true value. All right, come up with the real things that the ad can achieve. Okay, then another thing is, do not try to understand that if you run your ads consistently, it'll be good for you. If you can do $1 for a month, it will be good for you, because ads build on momentum, right? So the momentum generated by the ad, the momentum would have gotten to a particular level. So ads build on that momentum. Do you understand? They would hit again, they will climb from where they've gotten to. But when you stop the ad, the momentum, the drive, the power, everything comes down to zero. Then you now start the ad again. It now starts picking up. All the things that it has done before, it will start picking up, doing everything again. Do you understand? Right? So if you can run your ad consistently, don't stop. Right? If you cannot run your ad for a while, right? At least not 3 days. Not 3 days. Run your ads for a while, then you can stop. Okay, so thank you for listening to me. I have an ebook on how to run profitable ads. I have a video on how to run profitable ads. If you're interested in the ebook, if you're interested in the video, if it will help your ministry, if you are tired of running ads with poor results, if you are tired of running ads and you're having issues, if you are tired of Facebook not approving your ads, if you're tired of all that, right, check out my 10x video and ebook on ads, right? All right, guys, thank you very much. As I said, my name is Victor Anya. They call me the social media oracle. I'm a social media strategist who manage social media accounts. We teach and train social media strategists. I'm a founder of Social Media Strategies, Weapons and Tactics Group, where we teach social media, business, life, discuss everything happening, right? And if you'd like to be part of that group, please let me know and I'll let you know. All right, see you guys.